We have a nice trigonometry problem here. Two triangles are given. A small triangle ABC has an angle of C which is 45 degree. A larger triangle ABD has a triangle of D which is 30 degree. The distance CD is given which is 40 meter, and we have to find the height AB. So we can consider the AB as H and the distance BC as A. Now from the small triangle ABC, we can consider the angle C as theta. We can say H as the opposite side and A as the adjacent side. So here we can apply the tan theta rule in this small triangle ABC. We can write tan theta equals opposite which is H and adjacent which is A. We can write the value of theta which is 45 degree. We can write tan 45 degree equals H by A. Then we can put the value of tan 45 which is 1 equals H by A, and we can from here we can write A equals H. We can give this one as equation number 1. So we got the value of A in terms of H. Next we can consider the other big triangle which is triangle A, B and D. In this triangle we can consider angle D as theta and the opposite H is same like the past triangle. Both has same opposite side which is H, and the adjacent side here is BD. So we can write which is equals A plus 40 is the adjacent side. We can again apply tan theta rule for this larger triangle, and we can write tan theta equals opposite which is H and adjacent which is A plus 40. Then we can put the value of theta which here is 30 degree. We can write tan 30 degree equals H by A plus 40. We can give the value of tan theta which is 0.55 approximately, and we can write the value of A which is H from equation 1. We can write H plus 40. Now we can simplify this equation here. In the next part we can write 0.577 equals H divided by H plus 40. So we can write H equals 0.577 times H plus 40. Next we can write H equals 0.577 H plus 0.577 times 40. So we can write h equals 0.577 h plus, if we multiply 40 with 0.577, we get 23.08. Next, we can write h minus 0.577 h equals 23.08. We can take h as common term and we can write h times 1 minus 0.577 equals 23.08. Then I can write h times 1 minus 0.577, which is 0.423 equals 23.08. Next we can write h equals 23.08 divided by 0.423. From here we get the value of h as 23.08 divided by 0.423, which gives us the value of 54.56, which is our desired height, which is AB. So we got the height of AB as 54.56 meter. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching the video.